Hello everyone, this is PauLInstaMyooin here, and this is a Chef PauLInstaMyooin info video. So this is about the simple steamed broccoli. So pretty much what you do, you get a pot about that size, you put it like 20% filled up with water, and then you go ahead and put the top, which is why I covered it up. Oh, it's like the thing on top of the oven, the burners. You put that to high, and then you wait until the water is like, you see steam and everything rising up from it, and you kind of can see the boiling. It's kind of hard to see through the steam though, when it's steaming. And then pretty much you put this container on top like this. You want to make sure to have a container. It doesn't have to be metal. That has like a lot of little holes in it so that the steam could rise up. And then you want something like this atop so that you put it over. And then yeah, every 5 minutes you want to check on it. For me, usually it just takes 10 minutes. And then it should look like this, because broccoli doesn't, of course, normally look like this. Usually it's pretty dry, but it gets all soft and stuff. Because when it's dry, it gets like all bitter. I mean, you can eat it with ranch or something, but definitely it's way better steamed. It tastes sweet kind of for some reason as well. So it's interesting. But yeah, the very simple recipe is steamed broccoli. Not much of a huge thing, but it's good nonetheless. That's all that really matters. It's easy to make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the steamed broccoli Chef PauLInstaMyooin info video.